Hi, Heather. Let's take a look at how you can find the information about the classes that you're registered for the fall and the classes that you've taken in the past. So in the email, I've given you the steps to get to this screen. I won't show you those steps because they're different for me as an instructor, but follow the steps that I've given you that will take you to your student center. You'll see the heading Student Center. I'm able to see it because I'm your advisor. So right here at this screen, in the middle is this week's schedule. Go ahead and click the weekly schedule link. It always represents the current date, but we can change that. So here where it says show the week of, and it's today's date, I'm going to change that to be September 2nd. So show the week of September 2nd, 2019, which is our fall schedule, and then refresh calendar. Now, it shows nothing within the days and times because you have an online class. So I'm going to scroll down and there is your BSA section. You see it says meeting information not available. That's because it's online for you. So that's how you can know that you're enrolled in that course for the fall. You can do that for any of your courses. Now I'm going to go back to, let's see, we were at your student center, so go back to your student center. If you want to see your past courses that you've completed, and this is a report that I've emailed to you previously, here's how you can see it. So where it says Other Academic, click the down arrow, choose Academic Requirements, click the little chevron there, let it load, so it usually takes a while. My view is slightly different from your view, but here is where you can then scroll through all of your different, it has all the embedded diplomas. Keep scrolling down until you see your 2-year associate's degree. And then, as always, you are welcome to email me if you have any questions.